Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around the Alde heating control panel. I'm going to show you the very basic functions. So how to turn it on, set your heating, hot water and select electric or gas. So we're not going to go through the advanced functions, just the basic functions. So the first thing we need to do is turn the panel on, which is the bottom left corner button. And in a moment we're going to have the home screen come up, like so. Now the home screen tells us some information. Top left, the circle, the arrows, the heating system is on. If you don't see that symbol, then the heating system is off. Mains electrics on, or master switch is on. Temperature in the van. That's the home screen. Push your menu button. Just ignore what I'm doing for a moment. Right, top icon is the heating. It looks like a little thermostat in a house or in the room, which is what it is. So to set the heating in the caravan, it's just touch screen, select your desired temperature. That's the heating set to 20 degrees. Now the hot water system is the second icon, and the triangle, as you can see, is clear. That means the hot water system is off. To turn the hot water system on, push the plus button, and the triangle is half shaded in, but in addition to that you'll see that the icon here has turned to green. So green, good to go, if that makes sense. So the hot water's on. If I push that icon again, we're now on hot water boost. That will increase the temperature of hot water, and that's beneficial, let's say if you're going to use the shower. However, it does mean that it turns the heating system off, and that's off for, I understand, for about 30 minutes while the system's on boost. So just remember, if you've got no heating on in the van and the control is set to that, the hot water system's on boost, and what you need to do is just put it onto its standard setting, which is that setting there. So just to recap, I've set the heating in the van, I've turned the hot water system on, which is the triangle half shaded in. I've got two options now, really straightforward. If you're on electric hookup, we want to turn the system onto electric. It does say off. I can select 1 kilowatt, heating hot water on 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatts, heating hot water on 2 kilowatts, or 3 kilowatts. Now I'd probably recommend leaving it on 2, given that if you're on 3 kilowatts you'll probably start finding that things are going to start tripping in the van. Now the other option, if I turn the electric heating hot water off, is gas. So if you're in a field in the middle of nowhere, in other words you're rallying, you've got access to no electric, the gas system is the blue flame. Push the symbol, it turns to green, and that signifies that we've now got heating and hot water on gas. Now just one last thing, if you arrive on site and you want to give the system a boost, and by that I mean you want to get the heating and hot water on as quickly as possible, a little trick: if you put the system on electric and on gas, so it's now running on dual fuel, I've got the electric on and the gas on, it should heat up the water and also your heating system more rapidly. After about, say, 25-30 minutes, hopefully the van will be lovely and toasty warm. Turning your gas off, because clearly you are using your gas. And just to recap now, heating, hot water, and that's running on electric only. You turn the electric system off, and that's now running heating, hot water on gas only. And then lastly, if you want to run it on dual fuel, you can, like so. Gas off, electric off, hot water off. And those are your basic functions for the Alde heating. It's really easy to use. And that's your little few minute tutorial from Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Thank you very much.